have my deep learning model that colorizes faces. So it takes black and white photos of faces and it adds color to them. Now, there still needs to be some work done because on very low quality old black and white photos it doesn't seem to perform as well. And I'm thinking it's because the data set that I trained it on was basically regular photos of people's faces, but I used OpenCV's convert to grayscale function and then trained them on that. I figured in order to get a more precise model, I need to actually get black and white photos that had already been colorized in order to train the network to do that. So, but the network seems to perform alright when colorizing images that were turned to grayscale via OpenCV's convert color function.